Everybody listen up. One. Let's get a big booyah for ArborFest 24. Hey, on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Booyah!
ArborFest to me is community, culture, education, and safety. This is an event that's been going on for almost 10 years. And as of now, it's been taken over by my team. And you know what we're doing? We're bringing it to the next level. We're bringing in the best speakers from all over the world. We are reaching out to not being just a regional event, but an international event, where this is the event to travel to hop on an airplane and make your way out, to meeting new people, networking, hanging out with the top exhibitors. They're sending their top people to have the best conversations, to show you the best gear that's on the market and work with the best tools. We're not doing broad spectrum training. We're doing niche, very deep conversations and training in regards to specific topics. And that's what ArborFest is about. Community, culture, safety, and training.
We're about to pull some sweet prizes for all of my attendees here. We're gonna do free giveaways, raffles. I got a Husqvarna chainsaw.
0, 7, 1, 6, 1. I see hands. I see hands. Somebody just won a Husqvarna chainsaw.
Tell us what you're about to do.
My name's Spencer. I'm about to do the 100-foot ascent. It's my first time from Western Kentucky, so
Good luck, brother.
thank you, man.
Sir,
I'm happy to
on
be
your
here.
mark, get set, go!
Obviously, it goes without saying, you guys got a lot of things you could be doing right now like the rest of us. So taking this time and this effort, I can't tell you how much I feel it means the world to the industry, not just to you, to me, all of us. The industry gets better by doing this, so even if you don't learn anything, you'll walk away with something, I guarantee it, where it's gonna help you and actually help the industry at large. So we really appreciate you taking the time. Whenever you get the opportunity, you should share your knowledge with anyone who will listen. It's the right thing to do. It's what we all try to do. So don't be guarded. You know, share it with your competitors. It won't hurt you, I guarantee it.
Right here behind me is the main stage. We've got job sites outside. It's been awesome. Can't wait for 2026, guys. I'll be here. Hope I see you here.